Hi everyone, you're welcome back to the Zealoft School of Marketing, where we simplify marketing for absolute beginners, for those who are trying to learn a skill, digital marketing skill, and then for those who are already marketing professionals looking to upskill and refresh their knowledge. And finally, for business owners and entrepreneurs who are trying to maximize their profits and drive business growth. If you're coming across our channel for the very first time, you are highly welcome, and trust me, you are in the right place. Do well to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of the amazing goodies we have in store for you. So today, as is our custom, we'll be taking some frequently asked questions based on the last class we had and the questions that people asked in the comment section, our community asked. So we take some of those questions and then we try to answer them just to give us insights generally and to clarify gray areas. So the last class was SEO Simplified, getting your content to rank in Google. Now, the first question we have today is, what exactly is SEO and why do I need it for my business? Now, SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of optimizing your website and content so that search engines like Google can easily find and rank it higher in search results. Now, without SEO, your content might not appear when people search for related terms, meaning you could miss out on potential customers. In today's digital age, ranking higher on search engines helps drive organic traffic, build brand awareness, and ultimately increases sales. So don't leave money on the table, because if you do, somebody else, some of your competitors, will be sure enough and proactive enough to make sure they get that money that you left on the table. People use Google every day. People search for things every day. Make sure you are optimized, and then when somebody searches for what you do, make sure your brand will pop up at least in the first page. Now, the second question is, why isn't my website ranking even though I've added keywords? Now, simply adding keywords is not enough. SEO is about creating a holistic strategy in addition to keywords. You need to consider other factors like your page load speed, mobile friendliness, proper use of headings, internal linking, and backlinks from reputable sites. You can go and get the video if you missed out on the last class, and then watch how to actually get this done, the different components of SEO and how they all work together to make sure your page ranks. So if you get keywords right, you still have to get your backlinks right. You still have to make sure your page loads fast, it's mobile friendly, your headings are used properly, and there are internal linkings on your website. So it also takes time for Google to index new content and reflect ranking improvements. So consistency and patience are key. And next question is, how do I find the right keywords for my content? So you can start by using keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, Uber Suggest, or SEMrush. These tools can help you identify what your target audience is searching for. Look for keywords with a balance of high search volume and low to medium competition. It's also important to choose keywords that are relevant to your business and match the intent of your target audience. Now, the next question is, what is the difference between on-page and off-page SEO? Now, on-page SEO refers to optimizations you make directly on your website, that's on the web page, such as using relevant keywords in your content, optimizing meta descriptions, structuring your headings, and adding alternative text to images. Meanwhile, off-page SEO, on the other hand, involves actions outside your website that can influence your ranking, such as getting backlinks from other reputable websites, social sharing, and online PR, that's public relations. The next question we have is, how do backlinks help with SEO and how can I get them? The backlinks are simply links from other websites that point to your content. They act as a vote of confidence. Now, in the eyes of search engines, they signal that your content is credible and valuable, because they believe that if other people can refer your content, then it has to be good stuff. So to get backlinks, focus on creating high quality shareable content. You can also collaborate with influencers or bloggers in your industry or submit guest posts on authoritative sites. Next question is, how long does it take to see results from SEO? Now, SEO is a long-term strategy and it usually takes 3 to 6 months to start to see any noticeable improvements in your ranking and organic traffic. Factors like competition, the age of your website, and the quality of your SEO efforts also impact how quickly you see results. It is important to stay consistent and keep optimizing as SEO success builds over time. The next question is, what is the best way to optimize my website's meta descriptions? Now, meta descriptions should be concise, around 150 to 160 characters, and include your primary keyword. They should be engaging enough to entice users to click on your link in search results. Although meta descriptions don't directly affect rankings, they significantly impact your click-through rates, which can influence SEO indirectly. The next question is, what is the role of mobile optimization? That's SEO. Now, Google prioritizes mobile-friendly websites in its rankings, especially after its mobile-first indexing updates. Now, if your site isn't optimized for mobile, you might lose out on a significant amount of traffic and rank lower in the search results. Now, ensure your website is responsive, it loads quickly on mobile devices, and provides a seamless user experience across all platforms. Now, what are the key metrics I should track to measure SEO success? Now, some of the important SEO metrics are organic traffic, number of visitors coming from search engines without you paying, keyword traffic, where your content ranks for targeted keywords, click-through rates. This is the percentage of people who click on your link in the search results, bounce rates, the percentage of visitors who leave your site after viewing just one page, backlinks, the number and quality of websites linking back to your content, conversion rates, the percentage of visitors who take a desired action, e.g., they make a purchase or they sign up. Then the next question is, do I need to hire an SEO expert or do I do it myself? Now, it depends on your resources and how much time you can invest in learning SEO. While it is basic, SEO can be done on your own with research and consistent efforts. More advanced strategies may require hiring an SEO expert or agency. If you're serious about growing your business online, investing in SEO can save time and help you avoid common pitfalls. Now, the next question is, what is the importance of alternative text for images in SEO? So in the last class, I mentioned the fact that this is also a way to boost your SEO. Now, alt text, which is alternative text, describes the content of images to search engines, which help your images rank in Google image searches. So it also improves accessibility for visually impaired users. Make sure your alt text is descriptive and includes relevant keywords, but avoid keyword stuffing, which can hurt your SEO efforts. Now, the next question is, should I focus on local SEO or global SEO? Now, it depends on your business goals. If your business primarily serves a local audience, like a restaurant or a service provider, local SEO is essential. This includes optimizing for location-based keywords and managing your Google My Business listing. If your business targets a wider audience beyond a specific region, you should focus on global SEO strategies that help you rank for more competitive non-local keywords. Now, the next question is, how does content length affect SEO? Longer content tends to rank better in search engines because it provides more in-depth information on a topic. So, however, quality matters more than length, because we have some people who sacrifice quality for length. So aim for comprehensive, well-researched content that answers the user's query. A good rule of thumb is to create content that is at least 1,000 to 1,500 words for long blog posts, but always prioritize quality over quantity. Now, the next question is, why isn't my content showing up in search results even after optimizing it? Alright, so several factors could be at play, including competition for your targeted keywords, the age and authority of your website or issues with your website structure. Maybe it has slow loading times, poor mobile optimization. It also takes time for Google to crawl and index your new content. So it doesn't happen overnight. If you have done everything, you still have to give it time and wait. And then make sure you submitted your sitemap to Google Search Console and there are no crawl errors on your site. Now, the next question is, can social media activity affect my SEO? Now, while social media activity itself does not directly influence search rankings, it can benefit your SEO. Now, social media can drive traffic to your website, increase content visibility, and encourage backlinks from other sites, all of which can improve your SEO indirectly. Being active on social media also helps you build brand authority, which can enhance your overall presence. If you enjoyed watching this video, do well to hit the like button, subscribe button, and the notification bell, and to also share this video with people who you know are either struggling with their businesses or are marketers or are just looking to learn a skill, right? And then don't forget to make very good use of the comment sections. Give us a shout out, ask your questions, ask for clarifications. We are here for you, and that will be done. See you in our next class. Same venue, of course. And I hope that you implement strategies you've learned today so that when next we convene, you will be a better version of yourself. Do take care.